Milwaukee have released some brand new accessory sets with a really impressive feature. These accessory sets come in cases that are compatible with Milwaukee's PACKOUT organizers. So if you are looking to store your accessories away as neatly as possible and you are already a part of the Milwaukee PACKOUT storage system, then Milwaukee have you covered with these brand new sets. Many of these are a part of Milwaukee's Shockwave range, which are heavy duty impact duty screwdriver or impact bits, as well as drill bits as well. Of course, Milwaukee love to coin the term nothing but heavy duty, and these accessory sets really live up to that. But you've also got that Brucey bonus, that added bonus of being able to store them as easily as possible inside your PACKOUT organizers. So like I said, you've got a variety of Shockwave impact duty bit sets. We've got a few laid out in front of us. Lovely variety on these. The amount of accessories you are getting inside these packages is really impressive. Alongside from that, you've got your router cutters and other accessories that you're going to want to get your hands on as well. So if you are looking for accessories that pack, that punch, if you are looking for nothing but heavy duty and you want to make sure that all of your kit is stored neatly when you are moving from job to job, then look no further than Milwaukee's brand new PACKOUT compatible accessory sets, available now in the Milwaukee Superstore. That is your home of everything Milwaukee at its.co.uk.